last.
Okay, so yay. So I am here with my sister. Like, God, open. Cool. Do you say hi? Wow.
Hi.
Okay, that's good. I don't know how to do. Here, first let's customize your what animal. We have a wolf, a bunny, a deer, and a fox. We're not gonna use them today. Fox, deer, bunny, or wolf.
Deer.
Okay, let's customize our look. Okay.
Try it again. Which is left? Which is right? Which is
What
right?
do you want for the yellow part?
Which is left? Left. Wait,
Face.
No, what color?
yeah, so that's the.
No, just what color for the yellow part? This part, the yellow part.
Brown.
Brown? Like this brown?
Yeah.
Okay. Now what part for the orange part? Right here.
Green.
Green? Like this?
Yes.
Okay. Now what color for the pattern?
Blue.
Like this blue?
Yes.
Or this? This blue? Okay.
No, the light
The light blue? Like, or really light blue?
really light blue.
Okay.
Ready?
So we have
What's right and what's left?
a leaf, a lightning bolt, fire, paint splatters, spots, more spots. So these swirly things, these square swirlies. Wait. When I first looked at it, it looks so different. It looks like that meme. Okay. Then we have swirlies. Which one?
Could you show me some again?
Okay. So wait. So this is none. This is the stars.
I want
This
none.
is the none. Like this.
Yes.
Okay. Eyes. Is that okay for the eye? Or do you want a colored eye? This gray one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Now, what do you want for your head? I have no stuff, but you can still pick. This.
Yeah.
Okay. Neck. Do you want anything on your neck?
No.
Okay. Do you want any wings?
Yeah.
Shoes? Do you want anything on your feet?
I want.
No? Okay. Tail? Do you want a tail? Okay, that's it. So this is Bia's look. It's beautiful. Okay. So, okay, Evie, we'll do yours in a different video.
Who's the little snake?
Oh yeah, let's give you a pet. Okay. What pet This. Okay, snake, cat, duck, or hamster.
Yeah.
I have no animal, so let's stay cleaned up. Okay. Now what game do you want to do? Still mini game.
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Oh, I'm so used to play wild. Let's just go to the. We'll get someone to play ice cream. Jamie scooped. Come on. Yay! Look. Okay, done. We got it. Okay. No. Okay. Oh my god. I mean, just ignore this. Okay. Chocolate, pink. Yes, we want you would do. Okay, we win. Yay. Wait, please, like, yeah, let's just, like,
Can we make it in the emoji?
stay. Cookies, yes.
I want to make
No, thanks.
myself an emoji.
Okay, we'll do it in another video. Yes, yes, I love it. I love it. Wait. We need to say it.
Mommy, I want to eat something.
Okay, wait, we'll make you an animal in a different video. Okay, dude, I love the masterpieces. They are beautiful. BTW. Stay chunky and eat. Oh, wait. Perfect. Just the right amount. Okay. This dude, go, buddy, this dude. I'm gonna. Oh, flip. Never mind. Join me if you have different variety. Stop it! Okay, sorry. That was my sister. Okay, Bia, now what do you want to do? Bia, what do you want to do?
I'm playing our house.
Out of all the things you choose to do, let's go in here with. Let's go in here with Jam. Shut my day. Jag, I'm still gonna go because I'm gonna see what people have, and I don't, because that's what I do with life. Oh, I can get some of this stuff. Honestly, I might save up for a shop because I have pretty sick stuff. Kind of. I had that and then I gifted it. Stop it, Bia! No. Oh, cool. Should we get this out?
Yeah, it's cute.
Okay, that's good. Boop. We can't buy that.
Why?
Because we're not rich. We're not rich to get shark phantom. Oh my god, so cute! Let's just have to get it for you. Wait, oh yay, finally gems. Okay, the hula skirt. You know what, Dia? Just to make you happy, I will get just to make you happy because I know you should be happy. Oh, we look beautiful.
I want to tell you something.
The owner, 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 the owner. Okay, well, we spent all our stuff, so yay. Oh, by the way, guys, go check out my who won like, thank you, Daddy. Okay, but basically, this is mine because I'm right there. I'm right there. Oh, beautiful. Yeah, let's. Oh, we forgot to save it. Beautiful, beautiful. Basically, I just write nice stuff, and I draw all my stuff. So, Gucci. Oh, 5 hearts. Cool. Cool beans. 4 hearts. Yeah, I thought so. Be happy. I write nice messages. Oh, this is probably over 15 minutes. Oh, yay, 12 minutes. Bye guys. I will do it with Evie in a different video because Bia wants to clean the house. Bye.